These 6 chair exercises are the best exercises to burn belly fat and side fat and will sculpt your core, torch calories, and get that lean, defined midsection. Grab a sturdy chair, let's go. Exercise 1. Chair mountain climbers. Chair mountain climbers fires up your core, shoulders, and legs while giving you a serious cardio burn. It's perfect for melting away belly fat and improving endurance. The elevated angle reduces wrist pressure and increases core stability. Start by placing your hands on the edge of the chair, feet extended behind you in a plank position. Now drive your knees toward your chest one at a time in quick and controlled movements. Exercise 2. Cross-body mountain climbers. Cross-body mountain climbers are amazing for tightening up your obliques and lower abs, improving overall core stability. Keep your back flat and your core tight throughout. Stay in that same position. This time bring your knee across toward the opposite elbow. You'll instantly feel your obliques working. This exercise burns calories and sculpts your waistline. Exercise 3. Elevated plank jacks. Elevated plank jacks help burn calories fast and strengthen your entire midsection, giving you a toned, athletic look. Keep your hands on the chair and jump your feet out and in, just like a jumping jack. This move hits your abs, glutes, and shoulders and gets your heart rate soaring. Burns fat while hitting your legs and core. Try keeping your core tight throughout. Exercise 4. Elevated Spider-Man plank. Elevated Spider-Man planks is a powerful core exercise that builds strength while tightening the waistline. Exactly where most people want to see change. From a plank, bring one knee up to the outside of your elbow, then alternate sides. This one's a killer for your obliques, lower abs, and hip flexors. Exercise 5. Jumping lunges. Elevated jumping lunges are great for burning calories, improving coordination, and engaging your abs to maintain posture. Use the chair for light support and switch between lunges with a jump in the middle. Jumping lunges boost your leg power, balance, and challenges your core stability while strengthening your abdominal muscles with each jump. Exercise 6. In and out jumps. This is the perfect finisher to torch fat and leave you feeling energized. This full-body move targets your lower abs, strengthens your arms and shoulders, and gives your heart rate one last powerful push. Place your hands on the chair, jump your feet in toward your chest, then back out to a plank. There you have it, 6 effective chair exercises you can do anywhere to burn belly and side fat. Try doing 3 rounds, 30 seconds per move, with a 15-second rest in between. Remember, consistency is key. Pair these moves with a balanced diet, and you'll start seeing results faster than you think. If you enjoyed this workout, hit that like button, subscribe for more bodyweight training videos, and let me know in the comments which chair exercise burned the most for you.